Hello my friends, and welcome back to the Smooth Machines channel. The Caterpillar 3516 is a large, heavy-duty V16 diesel engine designed for continuous and standby power generation. It features a robust cast iron block, individual cylinder heads, and a high-pressure fuel injection system, optimized for reliability and efficiency. The engine is turbocharged and after-cooled, allowing it to deliver high power output with stable combustion and strong torque characteristics. Built for long service life, the CAT 3516 operates smoothly under demanding conditions and heavy loads. Its design emphasizes durability, precise RPM control, effective lubrication, and efficient cooling, making it a trusted choice for power plants, industrial facilities, and critical backup generator applications worldwide. The Deutz MAH 620 V16 is a heavy-duty industrial diesel engine developed for large generator sets in the 2000 kVA class. It features a 16-cylinder V configuration, 4-stroke operation, and is designed for continuous and standby power generation. This engine typically operates at 1,500 or 1,800 revolutions per minute, depending on frequency requirements, and is widely used in power plants, data centers, hospitals, and industrial facilities. The TDD 620 series is known for its robust cast iron construction, high torque output, and excellent load acceptance. Advanced fuel injection ensures stable combustion, while the efficient cooling and lubrication systems support long operating hours. During startup and load testing, the engine shows smooth acceleration, stable voltage generation, and reliable performance under heavy electrical loads. The Deutz MAH 516 is a classic stationary internal combustion engine manufactured in the early 1930s, with this example dating from 1931. It features a large, single-cylinder design with slow-speed operation, built for durability and long, continuous running. The engine uses a heavy cast iron block, mechanical fuel injection, and a simple but effective cooling system typical of early Deutz industrial engines. After a complete overhaul, this video shows the first cold start, highlighting strong compression, stable ignition, and smooth mechanical operation. The MAH 516 is known for its distinctive exhaust sound, robust construction, and historical importance in early industrial and agricultural power generation. Single-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel construction with a heavy cast iron block defines this Farymann engine's character. It operates at low to moderate speeds, producing strong, steady torque through a rigid crankshaft and balanced rotating assembly. Fuel is delivered by a purely mechanical direct injection system, ensuring precise timing and reliable combustion. Depending on the version, cooling is handled by either an efficient air cooling system or a closed water cooling circuit. High compression, stable governor control, and effective lubrication allow smooth, continuous operation under load. The engine's simple layout, durable components, and rhythmic running make it well suited for long-term industrial, marine, and utility applications. This is a vintage Jaeger open-crank stationary engine, likely produced by the Hercules Gas Engine Company, mounted on a wooden trolley. It is configured to drive a Lister H3 domestic water pump via a belt. These early internal combustion engines were primarily used for agricultural and industrial tasks, like pumping water or running farm machinery. This specific setup was showcased at the Flookburgh Steam Rally 2025. Single-cylinder stationary construction defines the JAP Type 55, with a horizontal layout, heavy cast iron block, and large flywheel designed to store rotational energy and smooth combustion pulses. The engine uses simple mechanical valve gear, a robust crankshaft, and plain bearing surfaces suited for low-speed, continuous operation. Fuel delivery and ignition are fully mechanical, emphasizing reliability over complexity. High compression for its era allows confident hand starting and stable running once fired. Cooling is typically by air or hopper system, ensuring temperature control during long demonstrations. Lubrication relies on drip feed or splash methods, clearly visible during operation. When running, the exposed moving parts reveal precise timing, balanced motion, and steady governing. The JAP Type 55 produces strong torque at low RPM, ideal for pumps, generators, and belt-driven machinery. Its steady exhaust beat, slow mechanical rhythm, and rugged simplicity highlight early industrial engine design focused purely on dependable power generation. The MAN F6 V35 is a historic six-cylinder, four-stroke diesel engine built in 1917 for German World War I U-boats. It features an advanced design for its era, including an overhead camshaft and water-cooled exhaust valves for sustained heavy operation. Fuel injection is achieved using a high-pressure air system at around 80 bars, supplied by an integrated multi-stage compressor, as mechanical injection pumps were not yet developed. The engine is air-started at approximately 20 bars, then sustains operation using its own compressor. Built with massive components and low-speed torque characteristics, the F6 V35 demonstrates early diesel engineering focused on reliability, endurance, and continuous load operation. The restored 1.5 HP Simplicity Antique Hit and Miss gas engine featured in the video was originally manufactured by the Turner Manufacturing Company. This type of internal combustion engine operates on a unique principle, only consuming fuel when its speed drops below a specific threshold, creating a characteristic pop-pop coast, pop-pop sound. The initial producer was Western Malleable and Gray Iron Manufacturing Company, later acquired by L.M. Turner in 1911. The company ceased operations around 1920 due to heavy competition, making these functional engines rare historical collectibles today, serving as a perfect example of early 20th century American industrial power. The 1951 Briggs & Stratton Model 6 BS is a finely engineered four-stroke gasoline engine built for smooth, dependable operation. Its 2-inch bore and 2-inch stroke create a well-balanced power cycle, while the VacuJet suction carburetor ensures consistent fuel delivery with minimal complexity. Ball-bearing crankshaft support reduces friction and vibration, allowing the engine to run freely and quietly for its size. An early rope recoil starting system adds to its practical design. Known for stable RPM, clean combustion, and mechanical simplicity, the 6BS reflects Briggs & Stratton's focus on durability, efficiency, and precise small engine engineering. The YANMAR Diesel Type N22 is a large single-cylinder diesel engine produced in Japan around the 1960s by YANMAR Diesel Company, Limited, Osaka. With a displacement of 3079 cc, it delivers a continuous output of 19 horsepower and a maximum of 23 horsepower at 1000 RPM, emphasizing strong low-speed torque. Designed for industrial and agricultural applications, the engine features heavy cast iron construction, a large flywheel, and simple mechanical fuel injection. Distinctive design elements include a funnel-shaped intake port and a ribbed exhaust muffler, which reflect YANMAR's classic diesel engineering focused on durability, smooth operation, and long-term reliability. The Stuart Twin Victoria is a twin-cylinder, horizontal steam model engine designed in the classic Victorian industrial style. It features two pistons driving a shared crankshaft and large flywheel, providing smooth and well-balanced rotation. This engine is commonly tested on compressed air before live steam operation, allowing precise adjustment of valve timing, bearings, and mechanical alignment before final steam running. The YANMAR 16 HP stationary diesel engine is a classic agricultural power unit designed for water pumping and general farm use. It is a single-cylinder, four-stroke diesel engine, typically running at low RPM to deliver strong torque and stable, continuous operation. Known for its robust cast iron construction, the engine offers excellent durability and long service life. Fuel efficiency is a key advantage, making it suitable for extended daily operation. The engine uses a simple mechanical fuel injection system and is easy to start and maintain. Even today, many units remain in original condition and continue to run reliably. The 1939 IHC/McCormick Deering Model LA is a small stationary gas engine designed for light agricultural and utility applications. It produces 1.5 to 2.5 horsepower at 300 to 500 RPM, ideal for driving pumps, fans, or small machinery. The engine features a gear-driven Wico magneto at the rear for reliable ignition, ensuring smooth and consistent operation. Built with robust cast iron construction, the Model LA emphasizes durability and longevity. Its simple design allows easy maintenance, and the wooden homemade pulley adds a classic aesthetic. Even in partially unrestored condition, it runs reliably, demonstrating the engineering quality of pre-World War II stationary gas engines. The YANMAR Diesel Type NT110 is a single-cylinder diesel engine from around 1959, producing 10 to 13 horsepower continuously and up to 15 horsepower at 1-200 revolutions per minute, with a displacement of 1,521 cc. Featuring a box-type single flywheel, it delivers strong, low-speed torque, ideal for forestry and agricultural work. Built by YANMAR Diesel Company, Osaka, it is robust, reliable, and designed for long-term, heavy-duty operation. The YANMAR Diesel Type 2 HS72 LND is a straight twin, two-cylinder diesel engine from around the 1980s, producing 8.5 horsepower at 2,000 RPM with a displacement of 586 cc. It was primarily designed to power Denso cryocoolers on refrigerated trucks, offering reliable, continuous operation in compact applications. Built by YANMAR Diesel Company, Limited, Osaka, Japan, the engine features robust construction, efficient fuel consumption, and smooth running at higher RPMs for its size. Its twin-cylinder layout provides balanced operation and strong torque, making it ideal for specialized industrial or vehicle-mounted machinery requiring small but dependable diesel power. The 1901 Crossley L-gas engine is a classic early stationary gas engine from England, featuring a 5-inch bore and a massive 48-inch flywheel mounted on a single, nicely proportioned one-piece base. Built by Crossley Brothers, it showcases the robust craftsmanship of the early 20th century, designed for industrial or workshop power applications. This engine operates on a simple gas ignition system, providing smooth, low RPM torque suitable for driving mechanical equipment before widespread electrification. Despite its age, the engine retains its original paint and runs reliably with minor adjustments and cleaning. It demonstrates the elegance and durability of vintage English gas engine engineering.